This time we will make a maze. The cat has to catch the mouse. There will be 100 mazes in this game. Every time the cat catches the mouse, the maze changes. Create a new Scratch project and name it 100 mazes. Resize the cat to 15, to give it room to move. Then place the cat on the bottom left, at the x10 and y-170 coordinates. Add a sprite named Mouse1. Resize the mouse to 15, then place the mouse at the x-10 and y-170 coordinates. Well, we need one more sprite for 100 mazes. First download the 100 mazes from this link. Extract the file, so you will have 100 mazes. In Scratch, add maze sprites by using this button, Sprite Upload section. Choose maze number 1, and upload it. Rename the sprite to maze. Change the x and y coordinates for the maze sprites to 0. Then go to the Costume tab, and add all the mazes, so you have 100 mazes as costumes. If we click on the green flag, we will bring the cat back down. We will also make the cat sprite move if we press the arrow keys. Block this so that the cat is not covered by the maze sprites. This blocks so that the cat returns to the starting position. We also have 4 if blocks in the forever loop, to move the cat left, right, up, and down. Take a look at one of the if blocks. Inside each if block, there is another if block. Inside the if block, if the cat touches the maze, we will make the cat move in the opposite direction. So if we press the right arrow key, we change x to 4. But if, after moving 4, the cat hit the maze, we will return the cat to its initial position, so move the cat to opposite direction, so x becomes -4. So for the other movements, each one will also have an if, which function is to move the cat in the opposite direction if the cat hits the maze wall. Come on, let's make coding to move the cat. When the green flag is clicked, create another block. Below that put forever block, and inside the forever block is the if block. If the cat catches the mouse, we will play a cheer sound. The cat will be happy. Then we will make the cat return to the maze starting position, and give a broadcast message to go to the next maze. In the maze sprite, add this coding block. The top, when the green flag is clicked, is used to reset the maze back to the center, and put on the first costume. The bottom, if the cat catches the mouse, the maze will change to the next level, by changing costumes.